If you've been wanting to turn your Showit website into a membership site, good news. There is a super easy way to do it using a tool called MemberSpace. It integrates directly with your existing Showit design. It takes just a few minutes to install, and you don't need to redesign or code anything. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in just a few steps. First, head over to memberspace.com and create your account. When it asks you what platform your website is built on, select Showit and then enter your website and your business name. That's it. Your MemberSpace account is ready to connect to your Showit site. Next, let's install MemberSpace on your Showit website. So this part takes just about 40 seconds, super easy. You'll want to just copy your install snippet right here and then open your Showit website editor. In the left menu, click Site. Then scroll down to Canvas Set and click the plus icon to add a new site canvas set. Then select Apply to all pages and save. Then you'll go to Site Settings, Integrations, Add Custom Code, and choose Add HTML to the head. This is where you will paste your MemberSpace snippet, click Save, and Publish. Once it's installed, you'll see a small floating member button on the bottom right corner of your website. And this is where your visitors will be able to log in and sign up for access to your members only content. And if you're still setting things up, you can always hide that button and turn it back on later when you are ready to launch. Now that MemberSpace has been installed on your website, it's time to create your first space. And this is where you'll organize your exclusive content, things like online courses, videos, digital downloads, or community resources. And a lot of people will start with a Start Here space to welcome new members, or a library space for things like templates, videos, or guides, but you can add whatever spaces you would like. To add content to your space, just click the Add Content button and you can upload files, embed videos, create posts, add links, or even gate pages of your Showit website, all from inside MemberSpace. You don't have to touch your Showit design at all. And you can organize everything into folders, drag and drop your spaces and content to reorder them, and create multiple spaces for different membership tiers. So it's super flexible. You can always update and add new content at any time. Your members can also bookmark their favorite content and get notified when you upload something new, which is great for keeping people engaged. Next, you'll need to set up a pricing plan so people can pay for access to the space that you just created. So MemberSpace integrates directly with Stripe, so you can choose exactly how you want to charge your members, whether that's a recurring subscription, which is really popular for membership sites, one-time payments, multiple installments, which would be something like a payment plan, or even free access. Each plan can give access to one or more spaces, so members can only see what their plan includes. And you can create as many pricing plans as you'd like. So for example, maybe you want to have a free tier with limited access to your resources, and then a premium tier that unlocks everything that you have on your membership site. Another really cool thing you can do within MemberSpace is customize the look and feel of things like fonts, colors, buttons, and forms. So you'll just go into the look and feel editor and make sure things match your branding so your MemberSpace feels and looks like a natural extension of your Showit website. And before you launch, we always recommend inviting yourself as a member and then go through the full experience from signing up to accessing content. That way you can make sure everything looks and works exactly the way that you want before sharing your membership with the world. And that's it. You are ready to share your new membership site with your community. But before we wrap up, I just wanted to share a few extra tips. First, you can add additional sign-up or login links anywhere on your website. So if you want somewhere for people to be able to sign up or log into your membership and access their content outside of that floating member button in the bottom right corner, you can add buttons and links anywhere you would like. You can also add new spaces or pricing plans anytime, so it's easy to scale your membership as you grow. You'll also get direct links to each space and piece of content, which makes it super easy to share on social media, in your newsletter, and really anywhere else you would like. And finally, if you want to attract new members, MemberSpace makes it easy to offer free trials, discounts, and coupon codes. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've turned your Showit website into a fully functional membership site. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what kind of membership you're building. Thanks for watching.